Hello sixth semester students. In the last video we have discussed about the sulfonamide chapter and we have covered the topic sulfonamides history, chemistry of the sulfonamides and the structure activity relationship of the sulfonamides. Now we will discuss the classification of the sulfonamides. We can classify the sulfonamide according to the chemical classification. This is the basic structure of the sulfonamides. In the last video we have discussed about the basic structure of the sulfonamides. This one is the N1 position and this one is the N4 position. At this position basis we can classify the sulfonamides. First classification is the N1 substituted sulfur drugs. And example of the N1 substituted sulfur drug is the first drug is the sulfamethisole, and this R is substituted with this 5-membered ring. In this 5-membered ring 2 nitrogen and 1 sulfur and 1 methyl group is present, and this R is present at the N1 position, and this so that it is the N1 substituted sulfur drug. That drug is the sulfamethisole. R is substituted with this 5-membered ring, that is sulfamethisole, and this drug is used into the UTI infection. Next example is the sulfa-isoxazole, and this R is substituted with this 5-membered ring. 2 methyl group, 1 nitrogen and oxygen is present into the 5-membered ring, and this sulfo-isoxazole is used into the rheumatic fever, penicillinic allergic patient, and when the sulfo-isoxazole is given with the combination of the phenopyridine, then it is used into the UTIs and analgesic. UTI means urinary tract infection and analgesic means relief from the pain. Next example is the sulfamethoxazine. When the R is substituted with this 6-membered ring, that is 2 methyl group and 2 nitrogen is present into the ring, that is sulfamethoxazine, and this sulfamethoxazine is drug used as a veterinary drug. Next drug is the sulfacetamide, that is very important drug, and this R is substituted with the COCH3 group, that is sulfacetamide, and it is used into the eye infection. Next example of the N1 substituted reaction is the sulfapyridine, and R is substituted with this pyridine ring, and this sulfapyridine drug is used into the dermatitis and skin diseases, and it is used as an anti-infective, that is the sulfapyridine. Next example of the N1 substituted sulfur drug, sulfamethoxazole. When R is substituted with this 5-membered ring, 1 methyl and nitrogen and oxygen is present into the 5-membered ring, and this sulfamethoxazole drug is used into the systemic infection. When the sulfamethoxazole is given with the combination with the trimethoprim, then it is used for the HIV infected patient, and it is also used as a urinary antiseptic. Next drug is the sulfadimidine. This drug is not in your syllabus, but R is substituted with the pyrimidine ring, and it is used into the infection. Next example of the N1 substituted reaction, that is sulfadiazine. R is substituted with this 6-membered ring, and this drug is used into the meningitis, sulfadiazine. When the sulfadiazine is given with the combination of the pyrimethamine, that is used for the malaria. Next classification is the N4 substituted sulfa drugs. This is the basic ring of the sulfonamides, and this is the N4 position, and this R is substituted with this basic ring, and this drug is called as the Prontosil. In the previous video we have discussed about this drug, and this drug is not in your syllabus. Next classification is the both N1 and N4 substituted drugs. This is the basic ring of the sulfonamides. This is the R, this is the R dash. Example of the both N1 and N4 substituted drug is the sulfasalazine. R is substituted with this basic ring, and this R dash is substituted with this pyridine ring. This sulfasalazine drug is used into the malaria, meningitis, ulcerative colitis and intestinal infection. Next chemical classification of the sulfonamides is the non-anilino sulfide drugs. Non-anilino means no aniline group is present in the basic structure of the sulfonamides, and the example of the non-anilino sulfur drug is the mefenide acetate, and R is substituted with this CH2 NH2, and the R dash is substituted with the NHOCO CH3. This mefenide acetate drug is used into the burns and injuries. Now students, we have discussed the chemical classification of the sulfonamides. Now we will discuss the pharmacological classification of the sulfonamides. So, pharmacological classification according to the duration of the action of the drug. The first classification of the short acting, and the duration of the action of the drug is 4 to 8 hours, and example of the short acting drug of the sulfonamides: sulfadiazine, sulfadimidine. Next classification is the intermediate acting sulfonamides. Duration of action is the 8 to 12 hours, and example of these intermediate acting drugs is the sulfamethoxazole. Third classification is the long acting, and the duration of action of the sulfonamides 7 days, and the example of this drug is sulfadoxine and sulfamethopyrazine. Fourth is the special purpose sulfonamides, and example of this special purpose sulfonamides is sulfacetamide, mefenide, and the silver sulfadiazine and sulfasalazine. This is the pharmacological classification of the sulfonamides. Pharmacological classification of the sulfonamides. Thank you students.